Hey guys, it's Cooper Today Place, and I'm finally back from my trip. It's been so long that I've missed you guys so much, and it's so good to be back. I was just traveling, so I'm finally back. And I already entered the round, so here's the first round. It's tough, dude. You can see how the players. I just got like a 3. I mean, it looks tough. It doesn't look like a kind little man. But the clothes like this, it looks tough, you know. They had the stare and the smile. Like, they lifted it up. I think my turn already passed. Wait, she's a girl and said dude. Did that one. We said one and like a tough dude. Like, dude, you can't see that? It says dude. Wow, that's surprising. Okay, let's see this. Okay, it's also a girl. They're all girls. I'm telling you guys, they're crazy. Okay, I'm a pro model. And guys, I'm playing Fashion Frenzy. But now it's called like Fashion Famous. Oh, here's me, as you can see, I'm gonna wait for goodbye. Now we're gonna wait for goodbye. Bye. Okay, now we got this girl. Yes, I knew it was a girl. Dude, what the hell is she? Mermaid? I don't know what she's wearing, baby. Ugh, come on. That's like crazy disgusting. I don't like that at all. And by the way, it has really improved. It looks so good now. I like this color. Oh my god, the winner's hat. Come on, see. Yeah, dude, I got first place. Oh my god. Thank you. Oh my god. So, yes, dude, I got first place. Honey, I'm on top, honey. Yes. I'm on top. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Goodbye stuff. I'm trying to level up. I got to 500. Let's see. Where are we? Can I go up? Or just going down? No, are these people in the server? Or no, these are just the top people. I mean, these are good, but not much of the win, you know. Okay, so let's start off by playing Swim. So let's see what we can play. I don't have a lot of wins, you know. Like my shades. Okay then, I see what I mean. We're gonna need like crazy. Okay, like crazy cool. So I'll see this. And by the way, please subscribe and like this video. Okay, we don't get like to like 50 likes or something. Let's see what we can do. Let's see. Like my sheets. What's something good for that? I say we go like this, because I think that suits it. Let's do this. Yep, I mean this is not bad. But I think I'll just go like classic. I think I'm going classic, girl. You know, just going classic, classy little thing. Yeah. I might go like some like shorts, but I'll go with like some it's cute. I see you did. Let's call our hair like let's see. Yeah, it's a good color. What if it's blue? It's good. Yeah. I think I'm gonna make it brown. And I'm gonna go like so crazy. How about we go with yeah, I'm gonna first I better get the shades. And the shade of white. I think they're here. Yes, I know they're here. Okay, let's wear it. Yeah, it's so cute. I like this. It's not bad. I mean, let's see what come on. Okay. Oh, let's sorry. So I'm gonna go like, yeah. I'm gonna go like could be this. Okay, I think I'm ready. But I just need, I'm not sure about the shirt. I'm not very sure about my shirt, so I'm gonna change that. It's cute. I see this. It's cute. Let's take off my shirt. Let's see. I like a lot of things are good. Yeah, I want this green one. It looks beautiful. About these. Yeah, this is cute. I don't have like much hair. I want to wear these. Yes, I look cute. Let's go with these. Straight up. Yeah, perfect. You look perfect. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments what do you think of this look. And all the looks, you know. Not like this. I mean, it looks nice. I don't like trying this. Like my. Right? Okay, welcome to the Fashion Famous Show. Now I'm going to like. It's time to vote. First up is XGirl4435. Dude, you copied my shirt. I mean, sure, it's a nice. I like the shades. I like the outfit too. I'm getting it at 4. But you know, it's good. I know. You know that. It's not right. Well, you did what you could. Let's see, cute Galaxy Girl. Ooh, Galaxy Girl, she's rocking that look, honey. She's rocking that look. I'm gonna go to that. I think like F3. F4, you know, I'm up with the 4, you know. That's 4 going up. I give that a 1. Where are the shades? Where are the beauty girl? Where are the beauty? Gotta get my beauty in those shades now. Where are those shades? See, let's show it. Ooh, she got no shades, honey. I'm giving her a 1. It's all about the shades, babe. It's all about the shades, you know, guys. It's all about the shades. Let's see what's got next. Me. No, sorry. Ikramu. Okay, girl, she got no shades. She ain't got no shades. But I'm feeling her right now, so I'm gonna give her the 2 because I feel bad for people now. I'm giving her 1. I feel bad. Just because look, I got it. Because I'm not really beautiful. 756 volts. Baby, he rocking that robe. I'm wearing like a fofo. Baby, he deserves it. He deserved it. That's awesome. By the way, you are so good at this, man. Wherever you are amazing. Oh my god, it's me. Yeah. Okay, let's get down. Quickly get down. Wave goodbye. Rude, honey. I like these. I'm giving her 5. Maybe she deserved that 5. I did not like yours. I'm lying to her. Because you're blind. With the shades. The brown shade. Yeah, I got her on top. Did you get it? Yes! Yes! Queen. Wow, I nailed that one. I am nailing it. Congrats, girl. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here because I have a ton of recording. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to the video. Goodbye. Wait, that was awkward. Okay, yeah, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Goodbye, babe.